we're doing a lot for the software-defined data center. Both protecting the physical infrastructure that the software-defined data center runs on with products like our critical system protection that enables you to lock down and control that infrastructure, as well as monitoring it through our compliance products. But we're also using the controls that are provided by VMware inside the cloud to provide additional controls. And we have in fact announced as part of our new offering strategy a data center security offering, which will leverage this technology, increasingly building on the work that we've done with both critical system protection and our Symantec endpoint protection to build a much more nimble software-defined solution. This will enable customers to support more tier 1 and critical workloads in the cloud, because they will be able to wrap them with the kinds of controls that they were used to in the physical world by adding more hardware. They'll be able to do it virtually in the cloud. I think our partnership is very important because so many of our customers are relying on VMware as their new infrastructure. It is the default platform of choice. In fact, it's the platform that we, by default, build our products for now. Irrespective of operating system, we know we must support VMware, vSphere, underneath. So for our customers who are looking now to move more critical tier 1 applications, where they need to replicate the controls, the automation that they had created for them when they were vertically integrated on base hardware, they're able to take the advances that we're making, leveraging the APIs that you give us, to be able to automate the creation, for example, of firewalls. To be able to create a firewall around an application in software, rather than having to potentially go and buy a physical piece of equipment, cable it, network it, create the appropriate VLANs and manage it, is much, much lower impact. It's potentially lower, with seriously lower cost, but it's also going to be a lot less management overhead. And that's what our customers need. If they're going to be able to, with confidence, roll out tier 1 applications, they need to be able to layer more of the controls around them. And the technologies that you give us are providing us with the ability to put more. And my boss, Francis D'Souza, once made the quote that we should be able to make virtual environments more secure than physical environments. The closeness of our partnership is actually enabling us to realize technologies by creating controls, which is making that a reality for many of our customers. Internally, our global Symantec Labs team have used these technologies to take vCloud Director to a very great scale to enable us to support test kits for our support engineers. And our support engineers are business users. They have very high requirements. They need to be able to replicate customer environments, either as model environments or as specific custom environments. And they need controls. They need to be able to protect data that's in there. Obviously it's anonymized data, but sometimes that's anonymized data that's being provided by a customer, and we have a duty of care to protect it as we would anything else within our environment. And we're doing this at scale. And the benefit to the business user is we're able to provide them with services that were just infeasible before. Being able to, at the click of a button, deploy a complex data center virtually with many dozens of servers with complex networking is possible in the physical world. It's possibly even possible in a roll your own virtual, but it would take weeks to deploy, if not months, because you may actually have to procure the equipment. Instead, we're doing thousands of these test kits every day in a completely automated, literally click, 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 wait for it to boot approach.